Today, we are going to learn how to make a stunt paper airplane. The first thing that we need to do is grab a piece of construction paper. Okay, now we're going to make our stunt paper airplane. So to start off, we're going to take this corner and bring it down to this point of the paper, and the same with the other side. And you want to make sure that you are making as perfect of a triangle as possible with sharp corners. The next step is to take these two top corners and bring them down to the points where the folds end. As you will see, this point where the folds intersect is going to be the top of this fold. I'm just going to reinforce the folds real quick. Now if we're going to turn the paper over, and the point where all the folds intersect, we're going to press down on so we can bring these folds, the end of these folds, together to invert the folds. This is probably the trickiest part of the whole process. When you bring them together, you want to bring them down to the bottom of the surface and make a triangle, or the point of the plane. At this point, it kind of looks like a house. And you will have these two flaps on the end. The next step, we're going to flip it over and grab one of the flaps on each side and bring them towards the middle to start forming the wings. Looking good so far. Now we're going to flip it back over and bring this point down to this point of the paper, to the edge of the flap. Once we have that, we're going to bring this point back up to the surface, or the top. This is going to add weight to the front of the plane. The next step is to fold the plane in half. After that, we're going to take each side of the plane and fold that in half. And here we have it, our finished product. Now let's go test it out.